Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I'm doing a post plan with me. This week I decided not to film a plan with me. I had seen Sam from Happily a Housewife post a picture on Instagram of her just sitting there and planning without filming it, and I decided that that was something I just really wanted to do. With the whole Erin Condren thing happening this week, and my son is having some medical problems this weekend, I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna sit and just do something that I love on my own without having to worry about what to say or what to talk about. I just wanted to just do it myself. So I did, and it felt great. So I'm kind of just going to show you guys what I did in my planner. But before I do that, I'm going to kind of talk about the Erin Condren thing just for just a hot second, just to kind of talk about what I plan on doing for the future. So what I'm planning on doing is I am not monetized. I don't get money from YouTube. I don't get money from Instagram. I am not affiliated with them. I have none of that, which means I don't have the money to just replace my planner. I'm a January through December kind of planner, which means I'm only about halfway through my current planner right now. And I just cannot spend the money on buying a new planner when I have one that works. They've already received my money, and that's just how it's going to be. Now, I am going to stop tagging her in my posts until I just see some changes in the company. I saw that she stepped down, which I think is a good decision just for her to just kind of think about what she's doing, which I think will be really good for her. And I'm just waiting to see what the CEO does, the current CEO does, and how the company processes all of that. So I'm just going to wait to buy anything more from them. But I am going to keep planning in my current planner, and that's what I will be doing my plan with me's on. So with that said, let's take a look at my planner real quick. So this week I used a planner cake kit. I used planner cake kit 212, I believe. I keep my extras in the back. Yes, 212 is what I used this week, and y'all, it is pretty. So this is the week I did. I still haven't filled out any to-dos for this week. Oh, also, excuse my nails. Doing my nails every week has made them turn into a hot mess. So, sorry. I did my weather in blue this week because I was feeling crazy town. But I don't have too much going on this week. Scotty has Taekwondo tomorrow, but depending on how he's feeling, we will probably do it on Zoom. We re-enrolled him in swim classes, so now my daughter has swim and he has swim. So he has a swim class on Wednesday, but again, depending on how he feels, we will see about that. I'm going to do a plan with me for July. It's going to be super short and nothing crazy because I don't use my monthly layouts too much. If you look at this one here, there's barely anything in it. I just used the Erin Condren kind of monthly sticker pack pretty much and just kind of threw some stuff in there, but really I don't use my monthly views anymore. I just stick strictly to my week planner. Yeah, nothing much. We have Taekwondo still. Both kids have swim classes on Friday. That's going to be a fun day with both kids having swim and then Taekwondo right after. And then I'm going to do a pickup order. Scotty technically has his belt test on Saturday, so we will see how that goes. And I'm going to film, hopefully, my plan with me on Saturday as well. Because we're going to be busy on Sunday going to my sister-in-law's house. My other sister-in-law is going to be in town, and so we're going to see them real quick. And that's it. That's all I did for the week. I really like this kit. It is so pretty. I had the sampler, then I also had the thin washi, and I bought the hourly sidebar add-on, I think is the name of it. I did not use any of the labels in that sidebar add-on because I do not have much going on this week. Yeah, that is it. I used the thin washi, and of course I added some doodle girls in here because I just love them. I love these doodle girls, you guys. They are so cute. So that is it for my plan with me this week. Nothing much. Sorry that you can hear my kids and my husband in the background. They are very loud, and there's only so much time in the day when I can get them to be quiet. And I guess now is not the time. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this kind of weird impromptu video. And I hope y'all had a good week. I think it was really stressful for everyone in the planner community, just kind of a lot going on. Stuff like that, when like drama is going on, really stresses me out. So I'm sure there are a lot of you out there that are like that, and it is hard. It's really hard to deal with and kind of put your phone away because you don't want to miss anything. I did try and put my phone away a little bit this weekend, and that is kind of another reason why I didn't film a real plan with me this week. I hope everyone is staying safe. Wear your mask when you're in public. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you think. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.